And if we go on investing all our energies in the material world, what is the point if spiritual life is ignored? We need to integrate them both. Suppose if you're a first timer in meditation, I would like you to meditate without this element of yogic transmission or pranahuti. Pranahuti can be defined as essence of prana that is being given or transmitted. It is something that enriches our soul. It is a matter of experience. You need not believe at all in this aspect of pranahuti or yogic transmission, but I would like you to experiment with this entity called XYZ. Call what you may. You meditate without this XYZ, XYZ for some time, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half hour, and then take up this meditation along with this principle called pranahuti or yogic transmission. Compare, see the results. You be the scientist, you be the judge. Let your heart be the laboratory, and the results will speak for themselves. You can actually download a free application, Heart in Tune. There, all these instructions are there. How to relax, how to meditate. There are other elements to this practice called cleaning and how to connect with our source through prayer, which are very vital to our spiritual practice. It is the combination of this relaxation, meditation, cleaning, and connecting with our inner source makes one package. But is this the end of it? No. One element of practice leads us to another element, to third, fourth, like that. But we begin with these fundamental practices and wait for other things to emerge automatically, as we say, organically. Beautiful thing about Heartfulness Way is to integrate both our existences. Which are those two existences? One is worldly, where we go out and work hard, work towards meeting our ends, what we call material existence. And there is another world that awaits us, the spiritual existence. We shouldn't also go into spirituality so much that our material life suffers. There is no point meditating for hours every day and sacrifice material life on which our entire family depends upon. And if we go on investing all our energies in the material world, what is the point if spiritual life is ignored? We need to integrate them both. This practice certainly helps everyone. From my personal experiences, I can say it's a revolutionary system. Within few days of practicing this way of meditation, cleaning, and connecting ourselves with our source, changes our very being from inside out. The transformation, the change, what we call evolution, is made easier with this practice.